Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this 3 series today, and this is the E chassis BMW E90. And from factory, the car came with only the radio, the basic radio, and the customer has changed the radio to a new modernized 9-inch display. This is the new screen that we have installed in the car. First of all, we have the home menu in the screen. So this is the theme of the screen or home menu that works with the lights as well when there will be dark outside, so it is changing the color of the theme to black and then turning back to white. There are some shortcuts on the home menu. First of all, we have Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, navigation, and the CarPlay. So right now my iPhone is connected here, so I will go in the CarPlay menu to show you. Like, here is the all the CarPlay applications that are installed on my iPhone are available here. So you will get pretty much every app that is supported with CarPlay, like phone, music, maps, messages, now playing back. This is for like going back to the OEM menu, the podcast, audiobooks, calendars, settings. There are some news applications I have on my mobile phone. Then we have the Google Maps, Waze. I have, you can see, 3 different kind of applications for navigation. First of all is this Waze. So Waze works with the internet on my mobile phone. So it looks like this. If I tap on the Google Maps, so Google Maps I have like this. If we go back here, so here is the normal Apple Maps. So you can see, so this is like showing like this. So you can talk with Siri as well to communicate or like use the screen. So that's the CarPlay menu. This is the split screen, and we have the widgets as well. So all the CarPlay interface looks like this. Then if we go back to the home menu, so here we have like the home menu of the Android screen. If we tap on the app menu, so here we have the app menu. The screen supports the DSP equalizer as well. So you can see we have all the DSP settings available here. Then if we come on the home app menu again, we have one fan connected on the back, so we can adjust the fan with our own like settings. Like I'm setting this on like 60-degree temperature, so it will only work after the 60-degree temperature of the CPU. Then we have file manager, gallery, Google, DVR we have not installed, and the camera as well is not connected with the screen. But if you want to add a backup camera, so we have different cameras, so you can select. I recommend the trunk handle camera, that is the model compatible for this car. Then we have Play Store, radio, or some other applications, video player. For example, in the video player you can watch the video like this. So it will work while driving as well. So we have a YouTube as well, so you can watch YouTube or Netflix while driving. So we have 2 USB slots or 1 SIM card slot here to use the internet directly on the screen, but you can use the Wi-Fi as well. Here we have, if you scroll down, so we have Wi-Fi, iComfort, mobile data, like airplane mode, off-screen, clean memory, standby, and reboot settings. Then we have like on the other line we have this brightness control slider. So if you go back to the home menu, we have all the applications that are pre-installed, but we have Play Store, so you can download any kind of other application you want to use on your car while driving. So all kind of music applications, video applications are possible in this unit. We have offline navigations as well, plus online navigation. So different kinds of navigations are also available, so all compatible with the steering wheel buttons, so you can see. So if you have questions or queries, so you can ask me in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.